This video was made at the request of Hans Lapidary. Old wheels, no problem. New wheels, vibration. Hear the noise? Vibration. Vibration. See? See? Vibration. See vibration. No vibration. 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 No vibration. So this is intended to show how none of the old wheels were showing any vibration, but the new wheels were. Vibration. Notice as the machine slows down, you can really see how the new wheels are wobbling. Now let's take a look at the machine running without the new wheels and only the old wheels. Now you can see that the arbor is running steady and there is no vibration at all. Look at the reveal between the edge of the wheel and the edge of the motor, or anything in the background, and you'll see how these wheels are running true and steady without any vibration. I hope you found this information helpful, and I thank you for watching. This has been Four Wheeling for Gems. Hope to see you back again.